Smells like China.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation.
What's up, guys? Another video here. We're actually going to put the Red Dragon distributor in. Apparently there's like some Japanese components that are in this, and it's a high performance distributor, part number DTD44-DF. It's going to go in this thing. Finally, we're going to have a distributor. And you guys know the issue with these ignition problems. If you guys know the issues with these ignitions, high performance Hondas or anything making over like 400, 450 horsepower. Aftermarket dizzies become a problem, especially OBD1 cars you can't find new dizzies for. On eBay you can find OBD2 dizzies, brand new for the B series, and it's like $700 straight from Japan. But the struggle to find powerful ignition for something like this is real. You can go coil on plug, but if you're kind of on a budget, you can give this thing a shot. I've never used one. I've heard good stuff about it. I've heard bad stuff about it, more good about it. So we're going to test it out at 527 wheel horsepower. So I'm going to throw this in and we're going to go for a drive and hopefully get some races in. Hey guys, we're driving right now. I can't really do very many pulls because the base timing is not set. And I'll be going to my tuner tomorrow. We're actually headed to, God, son, there's always something. Damn. All right, so headed to Corn's house actually. For just, I don't know what reason, check his car up. Let's go for a drive. Everything runs really well. The car's actually lighting freaking amazing, dude. I haven't felt the car run this well in so long. And I'm just excited to maybe get the car finally like timing set and just take it back out and do some racing in it. Still need some axles before I actually go to the racetrack, so we're going to be waiting on that for a little while. I'm hoping next season we're actually going to be running meth. Sorry, I just switched gears. We're going to be running meth next year. I think about 575 to 600 would be ideal for this car. So yeah, I'm excited. This thing freaking runs amazing. I had to. Oh yeah. Yeah, you gotta turn that shit landscape.
Oh.
Alright, so we drove up to the spot. The car meet. That's all it is the car meet. And we get there and this dude behind the camera is like, hey, you think you're cooling? And I thought he was with me, like he always does. So I get in the car and there's a puddle of big ass puddle of coolant under the car. Haul ass back to his house. This dude saved us. Took the hose off his head, put it on here, let the cooling system. Fuck, now we're headed back. Get into some trouble.
Yes, sir. See you there.
Dude, they're just running it right there. Right there, just racing right there at the spot. What's up? What's up, butt face? My tuner right here. Just kidding. That was slow. 20? It's supposed to be 20.
I'm still recording.
In case you guys don't know, I just jumped the sedan with this guy. He told me to stop. I just jumped it. Nothing's broken though. This is how I do it. So nothing's broken. I think I got a little scrape on the intercooler, but everything's still on. Damn, dude.
Damn, it's still fucking spinning.
The ball bearing. Dang. Hey, so how was that for you in the passenger seat?
Oh, idiot.
Dude, I'm like, dude, I swore I broke something, dude. The manifold's not, you said manifold's not cracked?
Didn't you hear something flying, like right when we landed?
I don't know, maybe it's gravel, dude. We impacted the ground. Nose first. Nose first. Racing an M3. I get no traction. So yeah, that was the video. Racing M3, racing twice. Second one, dropped the car at 120 miles an hour. Somehow didn't break anything. This car's kind of been through a lot. Just glad that didn't break it. A little quick update, got the data log all hooked up. Just have to adjust the voltage for the AM wideband. And car seems to be, yeah, it's running well. No problems, just took it to work today. This video was just a quick one for you guys to kind of put something out there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. Really appreciate everyone that's been subscribing lately. Just keep it going. And thank you guys. If you want to have any questions, go ahead and comment. And next time we're going to throw my radios, which are right under my camera. We're going to be putting those on my Mickey Thompsons this time. And hopefully get better traction. I want to try to take the car out one more time before it starts getting really cold out. And we get a more race focused video for you guys. So like I said, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and yeah, that's it. Have a good one.